Happy bees, good morning. So today is, I don't even know, Tuesday. And yeah, I'm back to bidding. Bids time again. I'm so exhausted from yesterday's Dubai trip. But now I am already free. I don't have a car, so we're not planning to go out. Habibu used brownie girl because again, JJ is flat and the spare tire is limited only to running. Anyway, I'm gonna start back here because I need to deliver. Hopefully I finish all the orders of my friend today, and I'm gonna give or deliver it to her tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see, or later when Habibu is back, so I have a car. Anyway, I'm gonna do that now, and I'll see what I can do for today. The house is very clean. I don't have to do anything. Maybe just cooking later on in the online grocery for some stuff that we don't have. Yeah, there's not much. So I'm busy here and I'll get back to you later, babies. I'll try to update you from time to time, and I need to edit and upload as well because I don't have Vlogmas for the past few days. Yeah. We're trying something. Baby girl wants to try my hair. There. You look pretty now. Huh? Hi. I got this nail polish set from Brands for Less yesterday. And yeah, it's nice. I mean, there are, this is the dark color and they have also lighter ones. It cost me, I think, 29 dirhams. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it works, but it's not bad for the price. And yeah, hopefully I'm gonna try soon and we'll see. Hi babies, I'm so busy cleaning. I don't even have enough clips for today's vlog. But yeah, this is my kind of exercise. Actually, one of the things that I love doing is mopping the floor and the kitchen, because if it's so mopped like that, it feels fresh and I don't know, I just feel relaxed. And also it's my kind of exercise. It is heavy work, but I'm sweating. It doesn't show, but I sweat and I love it. So yeah, I don't have much clips for today. I'm just bathing all day, and a while ago I've been watching with the kids some cartoons and I play with them a little bit. But now just finished cleaning, and what else? Maybe I'm gonna mop the living room as well. And yeah, I don't know what else to share with you guys. This Vlogmas is boring me. And I don't even know if I can complete the whole 24 days of Vlogmas. But we'll see. We'll figure it out, and hopefully I won't miss a day. So far, I'm still complete, but not enough, you know, vlogs uploaded. Okay, I'm done here in the kitchen. I'm gonna move to the living room. Hubby asked me to go out and take a picture of his tire. He's using my car, no, not my car, Brownie Girl, our car. The car that I'm driving today. So yeah, his car is in the garage and I'm gonna take a picture of the tires so he has idea, or I don't know, he will send it to the fixer maybe. You're playing outside? I'll just take a picture of JJ. JJ's wheels. I don't have any idea that when you are considering a tire, I mean wheel or tire. Is it wheel? Yeah, it's wheel. Considering a tire, you have to consider these encryptions. So Habibu is focusing on asking what are these things that are written here. So yeah, I don't know. I don't have any idea. This is technical part, so you know, sometimes when you're a driver, it doesn't end where you need to, or when you learn how to drive, you have to learn the part. We are outside. The kids wanted to buy something And it's our excuse to have a walk as well. The cloud is so pretty.
Oh, look at the cloud.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's
It's pink.
pink. Come on, hurry up. The Wakala will close. I think the prayer time is coming.
I know.
I will have chocolate milk. We are just walking around our area. And still bright.
Look, guys. It's strawberry milk.
Yeah. And the baby girl is walking also, which is a good thing because she did not sleep enough this afternoon. So yeah, let's get her tired. And we don't have the stroller. It's in my car, in Papa's car. Alpha, there's a car. Diyan na ba? There's a car. Mm-mm.
Where does the trash bin go? It's made of plastic. Where does it go?
I don't have my skateboard. It's in the car.
Mama?
Habibu is on the way home, so we're
Mama,
just waiting for
where do
her.
we put the trash bin?
Somewhere there. I can do it up.
The green one? It's here, Mama.
Come,
Can
give me
you-
baby girl's bike.
Mama, can you help me go up in the trash bin?
Come here, Mama. Stand up here. Ah, it's fresh outside. No coughing. I mean, I'm coughing a little bit, but it's much better. At least I'm breathing fresh air. And the kids are there. There are a few people walking around as well. And so, yeah. There's a car, anak. Move to the side.
No, thank
I'm just chopping parsley for the... I even forgot what it's called. The one Habibu is requesting me. Later I will mention you when I remember it. And for now, chopping parsley, and then mint, and then onion leaves. So, yeah. Push. What are you making?
It's very
Wow,
hard.
that's nice.
Last Christmas, get in my heart.
Okay, I'm done making the tabule. The kids are here painting with the glue. And this is the tabule. I'm just gonna put some olive oil and lemon. That's the only thing I needed to add. And then we're gonna eat. We made some pasta as well. So, what do I need? Lemon. Lemon. Where are you going? Going to show it to Papa?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you come back and we eat, okay?